Me mama ye koku. Nti koku ade na eka ye nyina. Me kwa wansam dem akwa akotwa me dua na me nya ntwa. Me pieto nka ho. Me pieto wonsa anye nka ho. E koku farmer no project ni se na nko expect se nka be ya ni 6000. Wanye tumu kakra bi ne ma no. Tua ne ka wonya ntia ye. Ye kenso ba be ka nyansa sama kire na wo se mateso because we are just a double stories. We need to tell politicians, do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
It is the whole of today in the videos, no, it was centered on Ato Forson, John Mahama, Randy Abbey, any cocoa new price. Now, right now, no Sokatwa, that is Nana Jantuah Fire Mahama. Now, and someone Jantuah catch Mahama Ato Forson, and Randy Abbey. No, is a bit news of it, my blasting Mahama Crasa. My man, the monarch, the wide amame, our comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like video, no other one, subscribe button, somebody click notification and update number to the wide and amame, our comment section. So, Baswa, not your first in your biashe. So, under MPP time, or man, we are then a coup for the idea by friend DDP. And on ever boy, not ever boy coup for the memono, ever boy Ghana. But and this is for solidity was that time many people were affected in one way or the other. Omukase coup for the wicked. Obeti to musika so wabede den omuka dansem no omuka dansem no ebiam so no COVID-19 ebe hit Ghana ema even COVID-19 ma yeka kra no the whole America as of 2019 na omo 6,000 metric tons of gold in their gold reserve. Omuka say how COVID-19 say hit America no, it will take them decade, not less than 10 years to recover. For their economy to recover. UK, it will take them not less than 2 years for the economy to recover from the massive coronavirus imposed on them. How much more Ghana? So America for almost 10 years and never recover from coronavirus. Let's say UK, I say almost not less than 2 years. Ghana, how many years? But I could for the COVID-19 and say, hey, Ghana bad there. And this was when you assembly can born. Because when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. And the exchange rate expose you more. Under the trigger of, COVID-19, any Russia-Ukraine war, but then the ones who munya assembly can. Omunya can oma bon, omungo trefi. And 2016, NDC flag kunya so na omo jaka. Ewo Cocobod, 19.6 billion. But MPP buy, oma they just mentioned the debt. Yanti was in Oman family excuse. But NDC government by you run their big patch there say MPP for Jaka $32.9 billion, 32.9 billion Ghana cedis. And the work Cocobod. I went to me as came to a Cocobod. Na minim say a kada hono mo a can tria into tria a dead is so yesica. When is going to enter cuckoo. A kada honum a man news himself run their bay. At table Ghana go to a can untria. It is just say what else sika. It there be not be excuse. 2016. You told me this Lucy or coffee. And so when I said get a kind, say catch a good say. Wabano, no one will say a member or mine Mahama Emuni or mine say, and I will share bo. No one in their name could share over. It was your body need so.
But whatever it is, I'm not interested in arguing about the correctness or otherwise of statistics. The bottom line is that whatever terms you describe this economy, you were fully aware of its state before making your promises. So I hope you will not use these statistics to form the basis of justifying when or why he's not going to be able to implement the promises. We will hold him to his.
And some when I say get catch there, I go for neighbor me. But and this be more person with excuses. Cocoa price matters one. Or more catch there say world market price is what dollar aba from a dead year for Montiasie. But more sharp bonner, more on many who say cocoa world market price is subit timiate. Dollar bobe timaba for man yene home says subit timiate. And almost difference almost I can say a cut the Cocobod. NDC time move free so now more jaka 19.6 billion Ghana cedis. Se mo se Akufo-Addo MPP ja 32.9 yente mo de any film 32.9 minus 19.6 billion. 8 years they added only $13.3 billion and the car mo car mo ja no ho eti mo defense ne say mo defense ne de he eno ana abusia Nana Jantuah we born in fact one fan spill mo blast to mo ankasa
who negotiate the message near catch say nyoma bi wo ho atobo what you say
yeah
hwe me maami ye koko
me so papa ye koko
nti koko de na eka ye nyina
me so me sa eka me pa
obia me fiewura a wafam te sane ba oye koko
wow
nti koko asem ne eka ye nti ye say se me ko wansam dem akotwa me dua na me nya ntwa me pieto nka ho
also the free ho
me pieto wonsa nya nka ho se wontimi a try to maintain ya disika bi ko se baabim na ka se yenim ye kan say but this is the challenge enti ye nya ne hwede etie na
okay
aban betimi disika bi afa baabi obi busa say ye disika fa he do you know many accounts aban betimi use dey aye de ode ye no people don't understand there are a lot of voter and we can't show aban person ya obeye
okay
etinka ye kosia ye no MPP fo aboka aguo
ana ya beto
ene aba beto se ne project senke betimi akọ enya anko but ye besremo price na ye kan ye no ye de begina ho for this crop season na next year no hopefully we would adjust and na say the nhihye bi to osere be asa problem no emmebim
kan wo se kan beto asemu
it makes sense abansi wantimi antum because ekagu ho two world price now mo the year projection no dollar no so yen de na ye stronger enti ama
a bit
yen enti the economy say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
ono
akotenam ka say we de mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say kasa
yeah
we say the point is that nobody would understand it defies common logic say market share 1,000 misu
osementi
so about 800 ni amfa ne sa because sikani ho
but is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no project ni say nanko expect say nka be ni 6,000 wanye about 3,000 some to mu kakra bi ne ma no tua ne ka unya ntia ye twen so ba be ka nyansa sama kire na wo se mate so because but just a double stories sa se bi nsem hunu na MPP aban ye bi an ye ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the hwan me what say ka to politicians omunsia de o omunsia de na you see the Mahama we need to take the toughest decision into Akufo-Addo de new Jimmy.
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians who need nyansa nchen. School be no makwa chen. School be no makwa chen.
The level kwa no level.
What you say? President John Mahama PhD. Ne masters yesen. Ayadum. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And when you hear now, problem eba no. And you between politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who war nimdiye bebre chankrofobia omuye ministers ne DCs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yentimi koma semna or your president today you superhuman. And no be no ya kan yo menti afidi Akufo-Addo ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinka no. Woman defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
Who be message akodwe was say e kanika musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosion ni project they say the na dada no. Says can they be bama na.
They don't have, you see,
is what is
you see when MPP a debt exchange program
affect him
people, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians because they have people defending them. No, what you want say?
Normal.
But they are silent people. They don't talk.
Yes.
And nobody na say me they be me catch them people for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I not the me and say I catch a phone and no person much say because say omunim kakrenti omudo munyanse ba beche so mu wo de wo kan wa Jimmy anana ya na emebufu no. The idea say wo kan kokko asem no wa Jimmy wonim de wo kan na de you are hollow mimi a hollow
we are shallow de be
Mimi you hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
affected they
don't get it. And some you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say Chimen Sakami.
Okay.
Or say, see a can people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters.
And the
Winiaba.
That's true.
Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44%. The floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near NDC.
Somebody they look at issues with political
exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Nana Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But when you ask what power but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change aba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man you be komu, yare ye komu, yare bi okra bi mada. But because we love Ghana so much, ne duru be no, na ye yare because of Akufo-Addo. Ye be sorry ni akoma ye ya. Mina mini akoma yare, Akufo-Addo nti me nya akoma yare. So we don't want a situation where ye be sa be sha ase ni ekikam. No.
But don't you think that I mean, relaxing. You viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Sobi and Yunami Fangu. Dog Akumas, na dog hit it. Don't you think, say, yeah, never basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions, which will in the long run inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akufo-Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akufo-Addo, tough decisions. So the NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the Oye now koye so what do I say? Edu maybe when certain taxes and then I say for a buy, it's not what the same bottom. Taxes, Akufo-Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaign against him. It's now needs a cocoa sector, no. Mama beto ka mujaka.
And MPP beto.
And MPP beto you omudie. And omajabi because a kabi a legacy.
Yeah, beto omuza.
A legacy where muke musu mejaka. Because 4 years in beba no. Mo de ka and a beto aso.
I see. Let's be a cow.
A ka ye won you maybe wo ha a ka.
Mama me emfa politics ma doing because koko de affect obi a o.
E de no.
Affect obi a. Na kwadwo me de say it's that man NDC for share boss ombetu kokom ya omo creating the impression say Nana Akufo-Addo buy crampo Ghana for by giving them around 3,000 cedis, so the news say world market price determine the animal cocoa farmers in this country, and the news na ka in fact recently when omo betu akọ 3,500 say no so no munim access books now say na ka so why did they make the decision to increase cocoa price?
And that is what I'm saying, say. So it is disingenuous for you to now come back
few months after
and behave as if, so what were you doing?
Exactly.
Because you had 8 years to plan.
And I'll buy a who books, also increase.
As simple as that.
So, yeah, say,
and the adena projection because share abrochire nina sifonina projections omuye.
Oh yes, of course.
Forecasting omuye. Omutimi hu say bibi say cocoa is likely to be affected. Obi timi tenase na dwuma no wasuama. Otimi who said in the next 5 years, these are the likely. It's no the expert no master the market no. It's my say there are certain decisions that it shouldn't be political.
Yeah, it's true.
It's supposed to be based with research, backed by research, and get the experts. Omunim cocoa, omunim commodities. And yeah, movie if you are paying
of course.
with share commodities or economics or study marketing terrain. Cote d'Ivoire say based on that, what are the likely challenges and the positives in the cocoa sector, maybe in the next 4 years or next 5 years?
Yeah.
No, what they are planning. Now you don't come in and start and at the end day and now and the exchange a brand TB a buy you or buy and then they exchange rate and now so let's do that before we interrogate me. Maybe we say mean debate too.
That be so almost say and St. John for now see a breaking down here.
No, Akufo-Addo de na me kase no e bonsam no ye bayi.
Akufo-Addo money agio.
Akufo-Addo de no ye bayifo. Akufo-Addo explain the entire na wo say agi e-levy. Ye je COVID-19 tax na say no. And no we bayifo. We a wicked person. Una na what you want na woka Ato Forson.
Yeah.
Oba mi show so na no.
Yeah.
Say Ghana for bread.
They created the impression say cocoa farmers yes wom.
Mo na mo titu afena mo be chirechim. You see Ghana ni ho. We any say one kasa o. Na catch you say
Oto din
dia wo kan and na dia bufo ba o. Cocoa farmer. Obo say 2-3 months say you for na you tak you can say senior staff for omo strike. Other people be you omuti. A chassis aban na feel popularity no so
na compounded.
Yeah. And two months said December bedroom no. Now why he
goodwill ni na.
I feel goodwill na ebe erode.
Because we thought say I mean okay we one out of lots. I mean say Edika Kasi Mahama is doing well.
Yeah.
But on this cocoa issue there, honestly speaking, I think that Tanya she knows like our maintaining price now but because kojo me kwa ebiasida. See ati cocoa so. Kayo, honestly, ebi da me de minim. But se many fee am started Ghana politics echi. So the Jantuah can ebi wakati ya boso be 2000. Ade ebe chi SBBC. Se COVID see na Akufo-Addo say obetete salary so. Ama instead of 2000 ma 1500.
I'm sure say ebia obi ebe tie say.
Abani yo to the one you want into the year. Abani yo to the racism we play. Abani you want from music we play. The dame pele me kan ide. Koko no mono. Koko ba bibiala abani wakon. Wakon wa bochi. Oya sika 9,800. Oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis. One bag. There's a 98 million cedis. Ghana is a share of Cocobod in there. By that man, unto the miscoming Wabasa, so to Mabasa, no one for no the Cocoa farm and woman in being. Then when my money ought to be on the West Italy, on the one for being, no one of Cocoa farm and the way. As you go about the Biala or the Watson, and by that man, on a Cocoa farmer, 65 million Ghana cedis. 65 million Ghana cedis. Instead of 65 million Ghana cedis, I buy one of Cocoa farmer or that 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana cedis. It's 65 and 30 million. And whatever you win there, I buy it or you there. Usika MPP, I buy Wafa, or yeah, bag Biala, what Olivia, Usika 35 million. We're going to present the Akufo-Addo, Union Bawumia, and the MPP, I buy.
The summary of what he's saying is that Nana Akufo-Addo time and now or say Ghana bag bia cocoa aban better for the kwabuche we around 9,000 cedis. And you know, on the encan to see you. I was a kind of share aban it me cocoa for no car like 6,000, around 6,000. And I buy them of 3 times just I buy this simo. Kesela to first no opposition on walk away. We total record pan doc. Aqua Chaban doc the research the obo. Educado, some point now, they know person channel wakano. Say who says at abano a ton cocoa bag biaka bontia, unya 9,000 cedis. The 9,000 cedis, no. It says over Tama cocoa for to be about 6,000, no, about Tama, my 3,500. Which for him, who say yes, see it. No creative impressions. The Ghana buy Satama, now Akufo-Addo buy 80 Ghana. What's the relevance of this total record?
The entire me man go for who in say. You were saying say a ton is
yeah.
yebomu miensa nke wose di mienu ema cocoa farmer na
aban fa mienu no ababako
it me busan sisi say aban fa say
Because are the conditions the same that time no e be also turn abucha 9,000
say oton a ebe o say 7,000 say
because you see the explanation they've given is that ye cocoa and you're competitive because I'm more ton I'm on international bodies this year the body
na yanka you remember a drew baby because say China for ne hwan for bem plus galamsey na se for no problem eba once they expanding the market now it means say e be drew baby competition about you be forced to do that until the point is that didn't you do that projection?
They were supposed to do it.
Are you trying to tell me say 1 year yana sa problem number? Go back and you realize that it started way back during the MPP time.
Yeah.
In the MPP, they were cautious. Say prices no. Saying you bet me a ton. At that time, I'm okay saying into more than MPP about be explaining. We're explaining what happened. Man, tiasi. We're explaining the entire. The court 3,000 something. No. Man, tiasi.
What do you campaign?
What do you campaign? Mochi to man ka said the can ye no cre. Man ka. Mama ya who say cocoa no is subjected to the dollar rate
and world market.
Modi ye campaign no man ka say ya ba 6,000 no say dollar ne cost right you mean 6,000 na so tia ye de I don't know man ka sa
the man say no more per battle
and I'm so omun kire ba bi omu kan say dollar no e so te dia any 6,000 no ye beti na bi kura na ye be sa tia ba fom no me careful. You don't joke with the life of people. Cocoa is the heart.
Yeah.
It's a farm and na what drama inside yes I know no.
Papa my friend o pa life o.
Na wo kweke kan say ya. O dey say. Hwe ade bi wo ho a ade ba ko pew na ne buafu. Obeye bibia. Ensada.
Na ko for ne DDP.
Obeye bibi afi ye wu pe. Ye de chill. And I'm saying your people will hail you.
Yeah.
Ye mu bi de ntia. Jantuah is because we don't care whether you are
to the wide mama comment section. I Penyah Media.